and it's been a very long time we met again. So
Yeah,
today it's
exactly.
a very lucky day for me for having conversation with you. You're a very
Okay.
experienced teacher, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Actually, actually, I'm active on this application, but I'm not active on the video call. But then I decided I will take the video call once again, even for my improving confidence as well my YouTube channel. So then I decided.
Yeah, ma'am, you're right. Because face to face talking, it's a quite confrontable. You can consider, right?
Yeah.
If you
Yeah, you are.
confronting like a conversation as a video call with someone, so it give you confidence internally of you, right?
Yeah. Yes, you are right. I think confidence is also important when you are learning your spoken English, not a spoken, even every language. If you
Of
want
course.
to learn and you are learning, so confidence is very important, very, very important.
Yeah,
Okay.
ma'am. And by the way, ultimately we have to interact face to face in life, right? In the reality. So
Yes, yes.
why don't we becoming familiar of this situation before time, right?
Mm, yeah, yeah, you are right. That's good. So, do you have any topic as a question to put each other?
Yeah, yeah, of course. So I'm
Yeah,
very
please.
curious to know the way, ma'am, have you been applying in your speaking field to improve your spoken and remember vocabulary. So could you describe something about your strategy?
Yeah, because right now my strategy as a I think way to enhance my spoken English is only speaking. Okay,
Hmm.
is very important. When you have the normal speaking in your spoken journey, so definitely you will be increased. Oh, okay, and another one I have listening. Okay, by
Yeah.
listening you grab lots of things with
Hmm.
the help of and make the lots of English structures. Okay, so I think
Yeah.
listening is also important. And another things I have because right now I am facing that problem related to vocabulary. Okay, related to vocabulary, but as far as I know, you can learn vocabulary portion when you are reading a lot, and
Yeah.
that words you are using continuously in your conversation. Okay, so that time you can improve your vocabulary after long time.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am, you're right. By reading any kinds of story book, by
Mm,
accumulating vocabulary from it, from
mm,
there, and you are going
yeah.
to apply that vocabulary in your conversation, so that it would be more convenient to expressing yourself, right,
Yeah.
around the
Actually,
peoples.
right now, one application is getting viral on the mobile phone, and that is, I think, Chat GTP. Okay, do you know
Hmm.
Chat
No, I
GTP?
don't know.
I think that application is very helpful, very helpful. Like when you are getting the stuck while speaking English, so immediately you can write down in the notebook, meanwhile your conversation. So after completing your conversation, you can write down on the notebook and then you can find your mistake and come to know how to make the sentence.
Okay, that's a great, ma'am. So this application is free at cost, or we have to purchase, we have to
It's
buy.
only free application as like Google Translator application.
Okay, okay. Yeah, that's a great. So,
Yes.
ma'am, I think, have a long time, you have been not active over your
Hmm.
channel, and as well as you are not maintaining your consistency. So, where have you been busy so much in your life? So, I would like to know.
Okay, yeah, of course. Actually, I was not active on my YouTube channels. Okay. And I don't tell like I'm not active on Skype application. No, my practice is continuously going.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Actually, I am consistent on this for my spoken English because my first priority, I
Yeah.
decided to, to take the some break for my YouTube channels only to enhance my spoken
Okay.
fluency. So that's why I decided I should break right now for my YouTube channel, and and then I have to improve my communication skill. First, my priority only this
Mm.
one. And when I feel relaxed, no, this times I'm okay. Okay, so that time once again I start my YouTube channel.
Yeah, man, that's a great. Your first priority first, you have to get fluency in your conversation.
Yeah.
Right.
And you can see about my fluency, my changing, because I have improved a lot.
Yeah, I can
Why?
see.
Why listening? Why more much? I think I prefer more much times to speak.
Yeah, ma'am, I can see the confidence comes out within you now. I can see.
As
Yeah,
well,
you're
my
very blessed.
is different. My speaking way is different.
Yeah, of course,
Yeah.
ma'am. After coming out confidence up to the upper levels, you can express very tremendously, according to me. Right.
Okay.
Your
Yeah.
appearance will be totally opposite of your previous actions.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay. Okay. I think, please, Chandan, let me know what is the discipline. What do you think about the discipline according your point of view?
Yeah, ma'am. Discipline, according to me, like you have to uh, establishing some rule regulation, not for someone's. Strictly, you just establishing for yourself. Okay,
Hmm?
that is called
Hmm?
discipline. That discipline you can't broke by yourself. Okay, this should
Okay.
be restricted from you, not to someone. You can't go against that term and condition which you establishing into your life to developing your personality and
Hmm?
promising yourself like no matter what situations come to my life, I have to maintain my
Hmm?
consistency and gradually I will be walking towards my goal until it would be succeed. That
Yeah,
is called
exactly. Yeah, you are right. Actually, according to me, when you have the sorry, I think discipline you have, because according to making the plan, you are doing the work as a proper manner. Okay, so
yeah.
that time it's called a discipline. Okay, you are doing very well manners working. Like as I am telling to you about myself, I am learning English. Okay, seriously, I am not disciplined persons. I many times I made lots of plans
Hmm.
language, but I couldn't. I couldn't. I think work properly. Okay, I couldn't
Yeah.
work properly. So that time I realized no. Actually, as suppose I had worked very well on the
Yeah, yeah.
spoken English. I feel I would have spoken very well.
Of course,
Okay,
ma'am. Strictly
very
you have to follow it
yeah,
into your life.
but right now I am not active according my discipline. So that's why I am lagging behind continuously.
Okay. Yeah,
So
it's okay, ma'am.
but these times I am okay. I am
Yeah,
satisfied for my language. I am getting improved day by day. So definitely I will be perfect at up to the mark. But I have to learn lots of vocabulary as well, idiom
yeah.
phrases also.
Yeah, according to me, ma'am, you are going to optimize yourself accordingly, situationally to yourself. So it would be more remarkable, I think, and more
Yeah.
convenient for you, right? And
Mm,
obviously, we are going to learn something new, right? So
mm,
in order to changing, right, our quality, our habit, it
mm,
must be affected our life as well, right? Some of time we have to sacrifice some kinds of desire, right? Hobbies we have to change out. There are many things we have to do for that skills, right? So it's
yeah.
okay. We are
Okay.
willing to do all these things, no matter how we can, but we do,
Yeah.
right?
Actually, Chandan, thank you for calling to me because this times I have to go because my husband is calling to me repeatedly, so I have to go. So thank you for connecting to me as if